video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to this is our top-down cardigan, how to separate body and the sleeve. So you're gonna need two scrap yarn or extra set of circular needle. So first, you're gonna follow the pattern. If it's garter stitch, you're just gonna knit. So this is gonna be front part of cardigan, one up front. So you're gonna knit regular. In this particular pattern, it's just the stockinette net stitch, which means just the knit. Up to the stitch marker. First the stitch marker here. So here you're gonna put whatever number of stitches on a strap yarn, or if you have an extra set of a circular needle, you can put on a circular needle too. So you just put the stitches, loops, take out of the needle, put in a scrap yarn like this method. So this is chunky yarn, so you can do with your finger. If it's a skinnier yarn, you can use a tapestry needle. It will be easier. So you will put number of stitches on the scrap yarn, so up to the point, the second stitch marker here. So this is gonna be one of your sleeve. So we're gonna put in a scrap yarn like this and leave it like that. So take out the stitch marker. So this gonna be your back panel. So before we go there, on the pattern, you're gonna make extra stitches. If it's 2, you make 2. If it's 3, you make 3. If it's 4, you make 4. By using backward loop method, cast-on method. So basically, you're gonna have a working yarn here, wrap around your fingers like this, and you see, let's say 2 stitches, then you make extra 2 stitches. I'm gonna demonstrate again. So you can do either finger or simply just twist the yarn like this and make an extra whatever number of stitches here. So now you just keep knitting until next stitch marker. Top-down cardigan is great because you don't have to seam it. You just knit, and before you know it, the project is over. So now we reach the next stitch marker. So we take this off. Okay, the second set of stitch scrap yarn, and put all the stitches into the scrap yarn. So here, so this is gonna be your second sleeve later on. I just put it here, and I'm gonna leave it aside. So here, take up the stitch marker. Again, you're gonna put this aside. This is gonna be the another sleeve. And then this gonna be another panel of your front panel. So we're gonna keep knitting, but before we continue knitting, you also have to make extra stitches, like by this called twisting yarn. Okay, let's do it over. You either twist the yarn and put into the needle, or you can use fingers like this, or you can use just one finger. Basically twist it and put it. So now you have 2 extra stitches and you keep knitting. Now the front, right, and left and back panels are connected. So it became one piece. I'm gonna show you after finishing this. So now you have a separated sleeve and the body. So let's see here. So this is sleeve and this is sleeve. Now you just knit back and forth. It's gonna be purl stitches all the way, and when you come back with knit stitches and purl 1 row, knit 1 row. That's it. That's how you separate body and sleeves in a top-down cardigan.